For this one, we got a pre-approval to put numbers on the house because there is no numbers on the house. So we're gonna take some numbers and stick them on. If you want to get a before photo of, you know, anywhere up in this area, I'll slap them on here somewhere. Okay. I think they'll stick, maybe. Maybe not. We might need to put it somewhere else. Let's try right here on the beam. We'll just go up and down vertically. That way we can have proper verification photos for the client. 2003. Just show the signage. And then just grab like from the middle of the yard, like a full house view. And that'll be that one.